Unraveling the Nightly News Recap, a guide to understanding daily news summaries. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase you've probably heard quite often, especially if you're trying to keep up with current events in English. Nightly News Recap. This concept is not only crucial for staying informed but also a great tool for English language learners to enhance their vocabulary and comprehension skills. So, let's break it down together. The phrase, nightly news recap, combines two important words, nightly and news recap. Nightly refers to something happening every night, or pertaining to the night. News recap stands for a summary or a brief review of the day's most important news stories. Put together, a nightly news recap is a concise report that summarizes the top news stories from the entire day, broadcasted or published every evening. This can include a range of topics such as politics, economy, health, entertainment, and more, designed to keep the audience informed in a quick and accessible manner. Understanding nightly news recaps can serve multiple purposes. Staying informed. It allows viewers or listeners to catch up on significant events they may have missed during the day. Time saving. Instead of spending hours reading or watching news, a recap condenses all the essential information into a shorter format. Language learning. For English learners, it's an excellent opportunity to hear new vocabulary in context, understand different accents, and grasp the nuances of English spoken in a formal setting. 1. Listen for keywords. Pay attention to repeated words or phrases. They're often central to the news stories. 2. Note down new vocabulary. Keep a journal of new words or phrases you encounter and look them up. 3. Practice summarizing. After watching a recap, try to summarize the news stories in your own words. This enhances both comprehension and speaking skills. 4. Engage with the content. Think critically about the news presented. Ask yourself questions or discuss the news with friends to deepen your understanding and language use. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and utility of nightly news recaps, for both staying informed and as a tool for English language learning. Remember, integrating news into your learning routine can significantly enhance your listening, comprehension, and vocabulary skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit recaps to fully grasp the content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.